Early one morning, with time to kill, I borrowed Jeb's rifle and sat on the hill. I saw a lone rider crossing the plain. I drew a bead on him to practice my aim. My brother's rifle went off in my hand. A shot rang
I
out
wasn't sure if you
across the land.
but I don't know.
The horse he kept running, the rider was dead. I hung my head, I hung my head. I set off running to wake from the dream. My brother's rifle went into the sheen. I kept on running into the Southlands. That's where they found me, my head in my hands. The sheriff, he asked me, why had I run? And then it came to me, just what I had done. And all for no reason, just one piece of lead. I hung my head, I hung my head. Here in the courthouse, the whole town was there. I see the judge high up in his chair. Explain to the courtroom what went through your mind, and we'll ask the jury what verdict they find. I felt the power of death over life. I orphaned his children, I widowed his wife. I begged their forgiveness, I wish I was dead. I hung my head, I hung my head, I hung my head, I hung my head. Early one morning, with time to kill, I see the gallows up on the hill, and out in the distance, a trick of the brain. I see a lone rider crossing the plain, and he come to fetch me to see what they done, and we'll ride together till kingdom come. I pray for God's mercy, 'cause soon I'll be dead. I hung my head, I hung my head, I hung my head, I hung my head.
They're right there. I can see them from the trees. They're gonna be gone by the time we get there. Look at them. Well, you wanna try?
Go ahead a little bit.
Oh, I see him. I see him. What should we do? No, I think they went over the.
All right. Hey. Stop. Go ahead.
The tree?
Perfect.
If you're ever in some logging town and you meet one on the street, you're gonna think there's the meanest man anybody knows. But when you really get to know one, that's when you'll understand. Where there walks a logger, there walks a man. I've seen two loggers stand toe to toe and slug it out in a free-for-all fight. And when it was over, they get up and shake hands and laugh and drink together the rest of that night. I've seen a logger pick up a baby bird and put it back into its nest. And I've never heard one criticizing a man when he knew he was doing his best. They're a rough, rowdy breed of people, but it's a rough life they live. And most of the time their job's demanding just a little bit more than they can give. They come home at night so doggone tired, bruised and cut and sore. Get up next morning with a big old grin and go right back out for more. To the same steep, muddy hillsides they were cussing the day before. Where there walks a logger, there walks a man. I think a logger loves his family just a little bit more than most men, as he knows if he makes just one mistake, he'll never get to see him again. Oh, a line could break or a tailhold slip and cut a man half in two. The dangers there lurking everywhere, and the rewards are just all too few. But it's a life he chose, and whichever way it goes, his family will understand. Because when he walks in through that door at night, they know that there walks a man. Loggers don't sit around much discussing church, religion, or prayer. But a wise man once said, if you ever get to heaven, you'll be surprised who you run into there. And when the last trumpet's been sounded, all of life's secrets unfold. We'll find more than one set of cork boot tracks on those streets that are solid gold.
Pull the hammer all the way back.
Where there walks a logger, there walks a man.
I think so. This was delayed. Go whenever you are.
That you just really like.
Fuck me, dude.
I was knotted already. I was fucking re-shouldering it. Just fucking set it off.
Fuck my Florida season, god damn it, man.